What are you looking for? Hmm? What are you looking for? What is this? Oh, baby carrot. Is this what you want? Huh? Is that what you want? Oh, jeez. Can I have it? Oh. You little shyster. Dexter. What do you think of the baby carrot? Oh. You are so... What's up, Dash? Yeah, or Dexter. Hmm? Okay, was that enough? Dex, sit down. Was that enough? Not you. You're funny. Now what? Now what? Hmm? Shyster. Is there more up there? Huh? Dexter. Is there more up there? You little alley cat. Dexter, do you like baby carrots? Do you like baby carrots? Frodo, do you like baby carrots? Frodo, do you like baby carrots? Hey. Dexter, where is it? Huh? Where is it? Huh? Show me. Where's it at? Go get it. Go get it. There's another one in there. There's another one. You want this other one? Want this other one? Careful. Don't choke on it. Good grief. Hound dogs. Hey. Boys, sit. Frodo, sit down. Sit. No, that's speak. Dash, sit down. Sit. Sit. There you go. Good job, Dash. Give me. How'd that sound? Dash, speak. No. Dash, speak. Frodo, speak. Dash, speak. Come on. Speak. There you go. Oh, Dexter. Dexter, speak. No, Frodo, really? All right. That's enough training for one day. What do you think? Whew, that was rough. What do you think, Frodo? Was that rough? Dash? Shyster. Sit down. Dexter, sit down. Good boy.